I think the script, the तो कराटे गर्ल्स जब सुना तो पहले मैं अट्रैक्ट नहीं हुआ था, मुझे लगा कि लड़कियों की कहानी मैं क्या करूँगा तो फिर जब स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई मुझे डिटेल में, और जब when I understood the जो the relationship between characters, और इतना डिटेल्ड है, इतना लेयर्ड है, अच्छा लगा मुझे स्क्रिप्ट, एंड I thought that's when I thought I should do this, should be a part of this show. What about you, Ashlisha?
Well, I think the story, the character, and the writing, it was very well written, and especially my character was I was very drawn to, and working for something like this was a little challenging for me, and something that was out of my comfort zone. So I was quite interested at the first go when I heard the narration, and when I got to know that she will be playing, and like the whole setup where I have to like do intense action sequences and like kicking some,
metaphorical but true.
And it kind of scared me and made me nervous, but also excited. Like I got really excited. So yeah, that's what kind of
Celestia.
And
I got
you're
attracted
the
to.
fierce one in the show.
Yes, and like she's a
fire.
badass. I can say this word, right?
Absolutely, इतना मत सोचो. They'll put dollar signs subtitle में.
She's a gundi. She is someone who will take no for an answer. She can't take no for an answer, and she will just give it back. So I think I wanted to like explore that side of me, and that's what just made me say yes to the project. Yeah.
So when I read the script, it's not just a regular story about martial arts form basically. So बहुत कुछ था character wise भी explore करने को, and when I met her, she was the first one that I met like when we were there for a reading, and the way I thought of Komal to be like the angry, badass, and like out there kind of person, she was so sweet. And when she had to say mean things to me, she would be like, "ऐसे मत देख मुझे, मैं नहीं बोल पाऊँगी." So all the four of them, basically the three of them, were one
Fourth?
of the like.
Where is the
no,
fourth
no,
one?
I'm the fourth one. I'm the fourth one. I'm including myself in this. So yeah, that was the reason that drew me towards the show. Please.
I think the beautiful thing about series is that rather than just a couple of people getting everything, it's a very well-rounded ensemble that happens. And when that happens with a good script, with everything backing the characters individually, and सब बड़े distinct kind of characters हैं, तो वैसी script तो automatically पसंद आती है. And then you, from a slightly selfish perspective, you go to your own character, and you see that it is somebody who has a huge chip on his shoulder, feels that he has a lot to prove, who feels that he has बहुत सारी चीज़ें उसके साथ गलत हुई हैं, उसको सही करना है. That draws you to the script. And then when you come on set, और ऐसे प्यारे प्यारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, एक तो ये दोनों इतने mischievous,
really?
बहुत.
इतनी झूठी तारीफ मत करो.
नहीं तुम्हारे बारे में
व्यंग
बस ये
था,
कहूँगा, व्यंग था. सार्काज़म समझा करो, मीडिया के सामने कहना पड़ता है सर. No, but I've really loved working with these guys. Yeah. सबसे बड़ा तो फिजिकल चेंज ये था कि मैंने जिंदगी में पहली बार मूंछ उगाई है, और जिसको पता है ऐसे जेनेटिकली पॉसिबल नहीं होता, लेकिन मेरी मूंछ है और वो असली मूंछ है. But jokes apart, I think.
Oh, really? I thought that you like.
No.
What, really?
Really, for the first time ever. सोचो.
USP
Good
of the
growth.
show.
बहुत मेहनत की है.
Good growth.
Good growth. Nice. Wow, I thought I was going to crack the bad joke. So I think the most beautiful thing that I've taken from JD is that, it is great that he's so focused about whatever he's focused about, and you see his professional growth in the show. He's extremely successful, but at the same time, to take a lot of baggage from the past, that kahin na kahin will come and bite you in the. So that will happen, and that is something that I feel that it's great to play that kind of character because ऐसे characters, ऐसे लोग exist करते हैं real life में. But if I had to take a lesson from it, it would be that one should not be like that.
Okay, so Abha is a lot similar to me in ways that she subjects herself to situations no one has asked her to be in. She just is there for I don't know what. मतलब बहुत सारे unnecessary validation tags लेके घूम रही है and स्पेशली होते हैं बहुत लोग जो पेरेंट और चाइल्ड के बीच में रिलेशनशिप होता है कि पेरेंट्स आर नॉट डिमांडिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम यू बट देन यू स्टिल लाइक कंपेलिंग योरसेल्फ टू बी डूइंग थिंग्स फॉर देम एंड लेटर ऑन वो खुद में ही एक एग्रेशन डेवलप होने लगता है पैसिव एग्रेशन एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट we shouldn't be and towards the later part of the story she also realizes it and I hope I do too so
well, what did I learn? This character has taught me first it was basically it's fully grounded on karate, so what karate helps, what it does, it teaches you control, discipline, and while talking about discipline, I'm still working on it, guys.
I'm liking this flow now.
It just to explore her, just to tell through the camera and tell her story. She kind of coming from a different space altogether, her challenges, her own what do you say? Turmoil. And all of that has kind of made me realize that, okay, people do, there are people who goes through so much in their life and they usually are working on themselves and they're like at it no matter what comes in their way, and I take that with me and it kind of like Komal tells me that you can't give up, you just have to be at it no matter what the challenges she or anybody is facing, so like don't give up. Yeah, that's what I learned, if I made sense.
Yeah, you did, you sure did. मैं क्या सीखा हूँ, मैं अपने कैरेक्टर से कम सीखा हूँ, ये बेचारा हालात का मारा हुआ कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा हूँ। मैं इनके कैरेक्टर से बहुत सीखा हूँ, है ना, कोमल के कैरेक्टर से सीखा हूँ कि कैसे मुंह फट बनाया जाए, उसके कैरेक्टर से सीखा हूँ रील्स कैसे बनाई जाए, जेडी के कैरेक्टर से सीखा हूँ कि क्या नहीं करना चाहिए लाइफ में। बट आई थिंक कैरेक्टर्स के साथ साथ लोगों से भी सीखने को मिलता है जब सेट पे काम करो साथ में ना, तो देयर सो मच दैट यू लर्न फ्रॉम अदर पीपल। छोटी छोटी बातें होती है, शायद वो फर्स्ट लेयर पे भी ना हो दिमाग की, बट देयर सो मच यू लर्न फ्रॉम योर को एक्टर्स। सो आई थिंक इट वाज अ वेरी कोलैबोरेटिव एंड ग्रोथ ओरिएंटेड यूनिट, बड़ा मजा आया। और जैसे जैसे ये बीच में अटक गई तो हम दोनों ने साथ में, मैंने और चैनल टर्मोइल ना, तो हम कैसे एक दूसरे को मदद करते हैं, एक दूसरे काम आते हैं। But I think it was a great experience working with all of them.
Karate girls के पास mic
देते हैं।
No, actually we all did. He kind of knew a little bit of, karate, martial arts, and he was like, we did one session with him, and when the first day where I went to rehearse, the action director looked at me and was like, "ये कर पाएगी?" ये like I'm acting frail. I was like a mess as always, and
उसकी आंखों में संदेह था, ये कर पाएगी?
And I just told myself that I have to like believe in myself and like just keep going, like not think much. Keep my punches are right, my kicks are right. Just observing the technique properly, and yes, we did a lot of rehearsal, and the most tough part was the main you know, the climax, and where for all of us it was so difficult to even shoot that bit because there was so much chaos on set, and I was sweating, I was red, I injured my knee, my head, I fall, I was like, you know, all over the place, and we were just like, she was there with me and she's just like calming me down and I'm calming her down and be like, we got this, we got this. And it was just a wonderful experience. I mean, now I look back and I said, okay, it was a messy day, but that's where the beauty lies. And yeah, it was tough. It was very, very challenging. And to kind of, I mean, I feel responsible when it comes to where the whole story is based on this. I gotta make it real. I gotta, you know, portray it as natural as possible. And I want people to believe that, okay, she is someone who's learning, but for her, it was the opposite. She already knows karate a little bit. So I think it was more challenging for her. And my character was like, you know, I started learning karate. So I had that space and that flexibility that even if it doesn't look natural and she is kind of, you know, exploring this art, it got a little, like, I had a little advantage than Celestine.
You, like, to begin with, instead of starting it with the training part, like, I couldn't have asked for a better Komal than Ashlesha. I honestly mean it because, yeah, because... because, like, it was very challenging for both of us, and हमारे arms भी conditioned नहीं थे, and in scenes we were fighting with actual karate players, and then we had to defend them. Attack छोड़ो, like defend करने में ही चोट लग रही थी. सारे arms, knees, and like there was a part जब आप finale देखोगे, उस पे there was the scene where we are against each other, and then I had to repeatedly kick her on the knee for a shot. And after a while होता है ना कि हम professionals नहीं हैं, बहुत recently सीखा हुआ है, and still we try, but once you keep doing it for a very long time and you're exhausted and your body has just given up, पैर चला जाता है, like you cannot control anything, and then you're just there कि okay ख़त्म करो. But अगर जब आप scene देखोगे, you wouldn't realize that she had a bruised knee. Like she did it so well, आपको उसके face पे बिल्कुल नहीं दिखेगा. And like hats off, man. She was like there for me all the time on set, and we both were bruised and injured. But I'm very.
पूरी भड़ास निकाली.
मैंने नहीं निकाली थी. That was not on purpose.
But we had one person that we hated on set. That was our motivation to like be like, okay, we got this. हमको कहाँ से आ रहा है? Where are we getting inspired from? Where are we getting inspired from? Where are we getting our inspiration? We had, you know, some
motivation.
Yes. Always good to have them.
And towards the end, we all were protective for each other. Even like after when we were like together for the wrap up, I was looking for her, like, where is she fine? Yeah, she's okay. So by the end of the show, we four were like very protective for each other, and that's like a great thing that has happened to all of us.